What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I have a DIY. So I will be making a fall themed mirror. I went to my storage and I found that I had a mirror. I went to the Dollar Tree and I got a few things. So I got this straw that I'll be breaking up. I have some paint. I got these cute little pumpkins that I'm gonna add. I got some of the fall flowers. This is like a garland and just one of the fall flowers. And then I also have some little stuff that I found in the yard. That's about it. So guys, first things first, I know you see how dirty the mirror is, so I'm just gonna clean it. All right, the mirror is now clean. Now we're gonna go ahead and paint it. So I have this white paint that I'll be using. So when it's time to paint, you wanna make sure you have something to protect the table or whatever you're working on from the paint. And I'm gonna start with my first coat. And I am gonna let this dry overnight before I actually start putting any of my stuff up there, because I want to make sure the paint is fully dry. But I'm almost done with my first coat. Once this dries, I'll come back and I'll do another coat. So I decided while that is drying, I'm actually going to go ahead and prep the stuff that I'm going to be putting on there. So the first thing I'm going to be prepping is this haystack. And I'm going to start by shredding the hay. I'll put it in a bag so it's not everywhere. I'm just going to start pinching the hay off of the stack. Depending on how much you think you're gonna need is how much you need to break up in the bag. So I'm planning on probably covering the whole frame in it. I got enough. If I need any more, I'll make more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and zip this up. And I'm gonna put this to the side because that is now ready. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these two pumpkins, and they have these little things. I'm just gonna cut those off because I don't need them. I need them to be flat bottomed. Take them out. I'm gonna cut the wire off of the pumpkin. And now these, you can just pull them out, but you gotta be very careful because it will take the bottom off, but it's not gonna matter because I'm gonna put it down on the mirror so nobody's gonna see that part. The way to do it is just to pull softly and turn if you don't want your pumpkin bottoms to be messed up. So these are now prepped and they have the wires out. Now we're gonna do my leaves. I'm gonna take the tag off. And then I'm gonna cut this part off. Let me see if I can cut this part up here. All right. That one off. And that one off. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut the leaves. I just need the leaves. I think this would be enough leaves. I have a few. I got my yellow. I have a gold one, orange, red, and then these. I was actually planning on breaking them up, but they didn't break how I expected them to, so I might just put them in clusters like they already are. So it has dried. It is still a little wet. Put my paint back up here. And I'm just going to So I got the mirror completely painted. Now I'm going to let it sit overnight to dry. Tomorrow, I will come back and we'll start designing. Hey guys, so the mirror is fully painted. So now we're gonna start by putting our stuff on. So first things first, I'm going to start with the hay. So I got all my hay on the mirror. We're gonna start adding our little leaves and stuff to the mirror. And you can put them however you would like. Now that our leaves is on our mirror, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our pumpkins, and I'm just gonna place one in each corner. I might not use all of them, that's okay. What I'm gonna do is I am going to glue the bottom. And then I am going to just place it in the corner on top of my leaf. So this is how it's gonna look when you're done putting the pumpkins on the corners. We're doing the berries and the pine cones. And I had to go back over the pumpkins with some hot glue because they wasn't staying down with the craft glue that I had. Be careful not to burn yourself because the glue is hot. I just burnt myself. All right, and you want to make sure all this stringy stuff from the hot glue gun is not all over your project. Gluing our last berries and pine cones. Now we have our fall themed mirror. This is how the mirror is gonna look when you get done. I think I'm actually gonna, instead of making this a mirror, I think I'm actually gonna make it a table centerpiece for Thanksgiving or fall time. And I think I'm just gonna add a candle to the middle. So that's how it would look. Clean the glass before I add anything like the candle or anything. You can put anything in the middle. You can put a huge pumpkin in the middle, get candles and sit in the middle. But this is how it's gonna look after. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more DIY videos, leave it in the comments and let me know what y'all would like to see more of. And until next time, peace.